Gently now, slide it slowly until it connects. Perfect. Next one.
Dispatch to Unit 4. Watch your approach on level 6.
Roger that, dispatch. Turning now.
All right, clear this section out before the next run. Keep it moving.
That's 30 consecutive runs inside the 0.02% margin. The stability is impressive.
Verification complete. Origin mine confirmed on the blockchain.
Keep the flow steady. Watch the vibration levels. This is the primary gyratory crusher. It handles the bulk of the material straight from the pit.
Grind size parameters look good. The P80 curve is holding steady at 75 microns.
The overflow, consisting of fine particles, moves to the next stage, while the coarse underflow is returned to the ball mill for further grinding.
The thickener tank uses a central rake mechanism. Notice the clear water smoothly overflowing the top weir.
This is the lime and cyanide addition point, crucial for the leaching process. The precise dosing ensures optimal recovery. These leach tanks are designed for maximum recovery, utilizing controlled agitation and aeration to optimize the leaching process. As the carbon bubbles rise through the thick slurry, the probe accurately measures the changing oxygen levels. The gold atom in solution readily accepts two cyanide ligands. As they connect, energy is released.
Carbon in leach tank, granular activated carbon moving counter current to slurry.
Carefully pouring the wet carbon now, ensuring even distribution across the sieve. Now for the remaining sample.
Now we gently lift the gold-loaded steel wool. It's quite heavy and saturated. Look at the intricate fibers. And we transfer it to the beaker. The flow rate is optimized. Ensure the density remains consistent during the transfer. We maintain a steady heat to ensure a clean separation. Notice the swirling motion of the molten litharge.
We're using the tapping torch to pierce the glassy slag here. It allows us to drain the impurities before we cast the metal.
The molten gold is poured into the graphite mold. It is then quickly quenched in water to form the sample button.
Steady now. Keep it flowing. Watch the heat signature on the readout. Check the temperature on the south side.
Reading steady at 1950.
It's been exactly 2 minutes. The bar is now a dull orange, so it's time to carefully lift the mold using these tongs.
Steady now, lower it slowly.
Confirmed. Tilting the furnace now.
Injection sequence initiated. All parameters are within tolerance. Noted. The melt seems to be reacting well to the chlorine.
The melt is perfect. We're holding steady at the target temperature.
Induction melting, 1064 degrees Celsius. Quinquennant, gold becomes liquid mirror. The weight is 12.3456 grams. Fineness is confirmed at 99.99%. This drill allows us to extract the precise amount needed for the assay without compromising the block's integrity.
The readings on the vaporization are stabilizing now. Yes, confirmed. We have high yield of the dark smoke.
Miller Gold Purity Test. Spectrometer reading 99.5%. Still small impurities remain. Aligning over cell 3, lowering the anodes now.
Confirmed.
Gold powder into the crucible. Now the borax and silica flux for a clean melt. After dissolution in aqua regia, the sample is introduced to the inductively coupled plasma for precise gold quantification. Exiting the machine, the gold bar strip is 99.99% pure. Notice the perfectly flat and highly reflective surface.
The shearing machine precisely cuts the gold strip into 1 kilogram segments, ready for minting. The process is flawless.
And that is flawless. Ready for the stack.
The edges are perfectly smooth. This one is good to go.
.02 grams. Accepted. 100.007 grams. Rejected.
100 millimeters, 40 millimeters, 10 millimeters.
Transaction confirmed. Block added.
The scan confirms a uniform depth of 50 microns. Note the absence of heat-affected zone or microfractures on the surface. Utilizing advanced heat shrink technology, the PlastiSeal machine ensures a precise, airtight wrap for maximum protection.
1 kilogram of pure 24-karat gold. Look at that mirror finish. Absolutely flawless.
Final inspection complete. This bar is certified pure.
The ultimate store of value, the 1 kilogram, 24-karat gold bar. We are stabilizing at 800. Now increasing the heat incrementally towards the target melt point.
BT Logistics. The gold is secured tightly in the custom foam. Ready for transport.
Can I get your signature here, please?
Sure thing, thank you.
Warning, structural integrity compromised. Evacuate via the secondary route. Acknowledge transmission.
Check the detector levels now. Reading nominal. Logging the data on the tablet.
You can see the difference clearly. This is why regular replacement is so important for air quality.
Okay, the final ash content is reading at 12.4%.
We're neutralizing the acid with the limestone. We started around 2.
And now we're stable at 7.
Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell.